Speech of the February 17 organization. The incursion of the Turkish military into the territory governed by the Kurdistan Regional Government KRG has become increasingly aggressive, penetrating more than 40 kilometers into the region. The occupation is marked by escalated military operation, including relentless attacks and bombing that are causing significant turmoil on this part of the country. The Turkish military disregard for civilian lives is deeply troubling. There have been numerous instances where civilians, including women, children, have fallen victim to this aggression. The recent drone strike that resulted in the death of 2 journalists further underscore the severity of the situation. International organizations report alarming figures since 1991. Over 820 individuals have lost their lives due to this conflict. The violence has also led to the displacement of the hundreds, with many being forced to abandon their ancestral homes. The border areas have seen the evacuation of dozens of villages, highlighting the widespread impact of this incursion. At the February 70 Organization of Human Rights, we unequivocally condemn to this action of the Turkish state. We call upon the international community, particularly Britain, the United States and their allies, to take decisive action against these ongoing attacks. It is imperative that they adopt firm stance to bring and end this occupation, ensuring peace and stability for the region.